How to fix CapCut lag and get a smooth video playback on PC. So if your CapCut is also lagging on making any kind of videos, then make sure to follow all the steps. First of all, you need to click on this three line icon which is under player, and here you need to select the preview quality. After that, you need to select the performance priority. So this will prioritize the playback smoothness. Once you have done that, the next step what you need to do is you need to click anywhere in this timeline except this video here. And once you do that, here you can easily find out all the details of this video. And now you need to click on the modify button. Here you can simply click on the resolution and you can customize the option here, and here you can easily select the resolutions also. So you need to select the resolution which has the lowest. So here the resolution is set on adaptate. You can simply click on this arrow, and on this drop down box you can click on customize and customize the resolutions here. And after you have done that, you need to click on save button. And after that, when you try exporting the video on this section, here you can see the resolution has set to 1920 into 1080p. So now you can easily export and there won't be any CapCut lag, and you can get smooth video playback on PC. So that's how we fix CapCut lag and get a smooth video playback on PC. Thanks for watching.